The kids on the bus say Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. The kids on the bus say Bismillah all through the town. The moms on the bus say speak kindly, speak kindly, speak kindly. The moms on the bus say speak kindly all through the town. The dads on the bus say make dua, make dua, make dua. The dads on the bus say make dua all through the town. The kids on the bus say let me help, let me help, let me help. The kids on the bus say let me help all through the town. The babies on the bus say Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. The babies on the bus say Alhamdulillah all through the town. The people on the bus say As-Salamu Alaikum, Alaikum, Alaikum. The people on the bus say As-Salamu Alaikum all through the town.
Old Abdullah had a farm, Alhamdulillah, and on his farm he praised Allah, Alhamdulillah, with a Subhanallah here and an Alhamdulillah there. Here a praise, there a praise, everywhere Allah praise. Old Abdullah had a farm, Alhamdulillah. On his farm he had some hens, Alhamdulillah, laying eggs for little kids, Alhamdulillah, with a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old Abdullah had a farm, Alhamdulillah. On his farm he had some cows, Alhamdulillah, giving milk for everyone, Alhamdulillah, with a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old Abdullah had a farm, Alhamdulillah. Old Abdullah had a farm, Alhamdulillah. On his farm he had some sheep, Alhamdulillah, with a baba here and a baba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a baba. Old Abdullah had a farm, Alhamdulillah. Thanks to Allah. On his farm he thanked Allah, Alhamdulillah, for all blessings big and small, Alhamdulillah, with a Subhanallah here and an Allahu Akbar there. Here a thank, there a thank, everywhere a thank you. Old Abdullah had a farm, Alhamdulillah.
Mimi the cat, soft and sweet, paws so light and tiny feet. She says Bismillah before she eats, and shares her food with those she meets. Mimi curls up for her nap on a cozy prayer mat in Mama's lap. When she wakes, she purrs with cheer, Alhamdulillah, peace is here. Mimi loves to help and play, keeping kindness every day. Prophet taught us, big and small, be gentle